cuteness in its full glory. If you're bored of cows and pitchwise, we have these cute elephant motifs. Kaduwa weave, mama elephant, baby elephants, and that's also the same in the pallu. We see these cute elephants, jangla, jaal, meenakari detailing, sunshine, golden, yellow, haldi, yellow sari, pure katan silk. Top border does not have the elephants, has a gorgeous selvage which is rust orange color. The blouse again golden orange, not orange, golden yellow, turmeric yellow color, kacha aam, the mango yellow or the haldi color it is. Now that's the pallu, and must show you the Kaduwa weave. This is the detailing of the Kaduwa weave, completely Kaduwa with the meenakari work. Please notice the right color palette here.